Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. This is non-negotiable. Turn off the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester so you don't guess. Once power is dead, remove the switch pull or canopy screws and lower the motor housing carefully while supporting wiring. Label each wire with tape so you know how it reconnects. Make sure you have the right screwdriver and a helper at the ladder. This front-loading work prevents surprises and sets you up to diagnose wobble, noise, or loose hardware safely. Once the fan is lowered and accessible, inspect the mounting bracket and downrod. Loose bolts are the usual culprit. Tighten the canopy, motor housing bolts, and blade screws in a crisscross pattern so tension is even. Look for warped blades or bad blade irons, then use a 1/2 Oz clip to balance each blade. Moving the clip helps you find the heavy spot. If noise persists, check the motor bearings and replace rubber isolators. These dampen vibration and often restore smooth operation. You're ready to reassemble. Reconnect the labeled wires and tuck them neatly into the box, then secure the canopy and tighten all fasteners. Reinstall blades and any light kit, but keep tools handy. Restore power and run the fan at low, medium, and high. Observe for wobble and listen closely for bearings or rub. If the problem persists, double-check the ceiling mounting box and consider replacing the downrod or motor. If unsure, call a licensed electrician to avoid safety risks and ensure longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.